Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Advocate Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in advocatetaxportal.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Advocate Tax and you will directly end up within the login portal. Now within the email address section, type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Advocate Tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Advocate Tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.